Hey guys, JP from 4x4. I'm here to show you how to put on a sunshade on a Jeep JL or a Gladiator. First, we start at the front. We'll come with these Velcros here for ease of installation. Go ahead and put in the magnets on just like that real quick so it can hold it. I'm gonna fish this Velcro loop behind the windshield here, right? I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Here, just fish it through like this. Up, and it's from the other side. And it helps if you move this out of the way. Got both of these like such. Make sure everything's good and tight here. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and latch this one just like that. Latch this one just like that. Come back up the top. Bungees all around. There we go. There we go. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and put this bungee like this. I like to move this all the way forward. This one just like that here. This one just like this here. And this one is going to be a bit more complicated, but for the hardtop, it's possible. Just fish it through here, catch it on the other side, here behind the pillar, pull it tight. Oops. Pull it. There we go. That's one. We'll go ahead and put these long ones here. Put it in here. It's a little harder with the hardtop on. Once you fish it through, there's one. Put this one all the way through. Oh, there it is. And then this last bungee here. And pull it and up through here. Then we make sure everything is nice and tight. And there we go. That's how you install it. All right, to show you that this works with the hardtop, I'll show you how to put on the hardtop. First, we'll unlatch this and un-Velcro these two things there. Remove this, be out of the way. Put that back here, put that back here. Let's go get our hardtop. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up. One, 2, 3, and last one here. And this we take, we roll up, we throw back up here, and we're good to go.